In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a cookie consent banner in Webflow. So start by opening up your project in Designer. Then next in the left panel, click on Apps. And here, simply type in cookie consent. And here you'll see a bunch of apps that offers cookie consent banner services. So all you have to do is pick any of this. So here you can pick cookie consent and all you have to do click on the app. Then next is click on install on site. And once done installing, you should see the launch app button. So all you have to do is click on it. Also make sure that you authorize the app if you're prompt to. And as you launch the cookie consent app, you can now start customizing your cookie consent banner. Also make sure that you save your settings for you to be able to keep all your adjustments for your banner and for it to be applied to your website. Also, make sure that you publish your site and your cookie consent banner will appear automatically. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!